Hello! So we just got done with our monthly LEADZ partner meeting. It went amazing. It's all about being able to be human to human, connect. So by the time you guys get on a call, they understand exactly who you are, what you do, and how you can be of benefit.
People do like to hear your voice.
All the time.
People actually buy according to if they like your voice. So thank you for that.
When you say it a different way, or now you're showing up through voice note, or you're creating a video, you know, it just like will punch through that wall that they may have up because there's a lot of automations out there. And then just like you mentioned, now they're like, yeah, I'm interested.
When you are involved in the LEADZ generator package, you actually receive this part of your package. You get on a monthly call with both Vanessa and I, and we can actually refresh your memory on some great feedback. So for example, a couple of things that we covered was, let's say, increasing calls. How do you actually do that? Well, we talked about incredible strategies to bump that up. Book calls. How can I make sure that I don't get no-shows? I clear my schedule out of no-shows. Well, we got a couple of different things happening there. They haven't even signed up yet. Well, guess what? Now you have the strategy to do so. And these type of calls is so important because now you're getting that refresher, that constant input, right? Some strategies that others are implementing that you can implement too that are in alignment to your market. Not only that, but you're going to be able to see what really works and the power of this type of service. So take advantage of it. Click the link below. Wherever this will be, you will definitely get the benefit out of it. You guys have been lovely to see you
so
again.
much, ladies.
For sure.
Yes.
We'll see you.
Bye guys.
And we'll send you over the
Thanks,
information.
everybody.
Bye guys.
Bye.
See ya.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Talk to you soon.